Video we're going to review and give you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you can get started creating low content and medium content books for. We're going to also talk about ideas on how you can over deliver and provide an extra value to make your books rank easier, faster, and to make them stand out among the competition. The keywords that we will talk about are all profitable. They are low competition, high demand. Also, the bestseller score is amazing and the keyword niche score is also great as well. And in order to get all the profitability data, we are using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of these keywords. If you'd like to access all 4 Chrome extensions and learn how to use them correctly, I've also done a in-depth video linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out after this one in order to learn how you can use the 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of Amazon KDP keywords. Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are looking for daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords. Also, today is Gaslighting Recovery Workbook, and it has a keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans of 26, but I'm going to go ahead and ignore that because it contradicts this beautiful data that we have here, and it has a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing it as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension has given this a number 6, which complements beautifully with the data right over here, the second part given by self-publishing titans. First of all, the total results are under 1,000 and the total results are sitting at 499. Also, the average bestseller rank is around that 400,000, 500,000 mark, which is a little bit high, but not too high, and it averages 552,726. Now, if you have been watching me here on the channel for a while now, you know that the ideal bestseller rank, average bestseller rank that I follow is between 300,000 to 400,000. Anything above is considered a bit high, and we talk about strategies to cut down on the high bestseller rank if that actually is a problem for you. And the average reviews are 645 and the average price is $15.99. Now, this is the average price for most and the general price for most of the workbooks, and what we're talking about here is a workbook that is designed to help people recover from gaslighting, which is a type of behavior that usually narcissists do, any toxic person does when they gaslight, when they try to make a problem out of nothing. And there is an actual definition for that. You can go ahead and use Google to find the exact definition if you're not yet familiar with the term gaslighting. This is a very profitable niche, very profitable keyword. Highly recommend you make a book or 2 about this keyword. The reason why I'm ignoring the 26 given by self-publishing titans is because I've got the other data right here, and I've also got a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro. I wouldn't consider this keyword to be super profitable, but it is profitable and it would allow me to diversify my Amazon KDP portfolio. Now, there are interiors available on Creative Fabrica that you'll be able to access, and if it's not specifically to do with gaslighting, you could also use any sort of, for example, trauma recovery prompts. Also, another thing is that this is a workbook, so it contains a combination of journal prompts, a combination of activities, combination of questions to help with recovering from gaslighting. So you could also use ChatGPT as inspiration, not to copy and paste, but just go ahead to ChatGPT or any other similar tool that you rely on, and ask that you are wanting to create a recovery workbook, a gaslighting recovery workbook. What are some journal prompts? Give me, for example, 50, 20, 80 journal prompts, and then you'd be able to rewrite them. You'd be able to edit them using a on-site software such as Grammarly.com. It is a great software to use to help in detecting spelling mistakes, punctuation errors as well, that usually are formulated from the answers that ChatGPT gives you. Another thing is you could create a book, a comprehensive, intensive book, high content book about gaslighting recovery, and then also use that exact same keyword place it in the one of the 7 keyword slots, and then create a part 2 series, which would be a gaslighting recovery workbook, which would be a part 2. So that would be a great thing to do. Now let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and is composition notebook for girls ages 8 to 12, cute journal for teen. Now we have a keyword niche score of 22 by self-publishing titans, and we have a total results of 180 and an average bestseller rank of 152,212 and an average reviews of 2,193. Average price is $4.76. Now, I understand that the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans is low, but why did I choose to share this keyword with you, and it's a bonus keyword in today's video, is because of the good variables right over here, the total results being under 1,000 and the average bestseller rank being under 300,000, which means books are selling for this keyword. It is a wide keyword, and it is also very specific as well. So we are going to create a composition notebook. It's going to be for girls, it's going to be cute, and it's also going to be a notebook and a journal for teens that are between, or preteens that are between the ages of 8 to 12 years old. Now this is your choice if you would like to create a notebook or 2 notebooks under this keyword in order to diversify. I highly recommend you do so, and it won't take a lot of time from you, and you can be able to get your book ranking easily for this keyword in the case that some customer were to search for this. So I just wanted to share this with you as a bonus keyword. Let's head over to the third keyword for the day: aesthetic notebooks for school, college ruled 8.5 times 11. So this is basically a notebook keyword that revolves around the aesthetic designs, the aesthetic covers. It is for school, and it is the type of college ruled, and it is a large print, 8.5 times 11 inches, and it has a keyword niche score of 46 by self-publishing titans and a total results under 1,000, which is ideal, and it sits at 819 and an average bestseller rank of 76,783, which is less than the ideal, which is less than 300,000, which is good. Also, the average reviews are 345, and the average price here is, there's some error with the average price right here, but we do get a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche, and it beautifully complements all the data given by self-publishing titans. So again, good keyword niche score, total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000, which is ideal. Highly recommended you create notebooks for this keyword. Just make sure that it fits and matches the sizing, which is 8.5 times 11 inches, and you can easily resize using Canva Pro or whatever program, such as Affinity Publisher as well. You can resize to fit a large print and create an aesthetic design. Now, for example, you can go ahead and go to Creative Fabrica and get a lot of graphics and a lot of patterns to do with aesthetics as well. So let's do this right here with you as we are together. I'm going to go aesthetic, and you have all kinds of aesthetic fonts, aesthetic graphics you can choose from. You can also go ahead and go to the illustrations. There is AI illustrations, and there's also graphics that you can be able to choose from right over here, and you have all kinds of aesthetic designs that are very pleasing, and it just depends on what you're creating for. Now, the fourth and the final keyword for the day is cute 5 subject spiral notebooks college ruled. So cute 5 subject spiral notebooks college ruled has a keyword niche score of 45, which is great. The total results are under 1,000, and they're sitting at 690. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it is sitting at 20,000 and 97, and the average reviews are 1,035, and also the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension is number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche, and it beautifully complements all the data right here. So our fourth and final keyword is cute. 5 subject spiral notebooks, college ruled. Take advantage of these 2 notebook themes that I've shared with you, and we've talked about the 4 keywords for the day. This one was the last one, cute 5 subject spiral notebooks, college ruled. And we also talked about aesthetic notebooks for school, college rules, 8.5 times 11 inches, and also composition notebook for girls ages 8 to 12, cute journal for teen. And these were the 4 keywords that we talked about.